Why is avocado good for you? The avocado is a rather unique fruit. Avocado is a green, pear-shaped fruit often called an alligator pear. It is loaded with healthy fats, fiber and various important nutrients. Numerous studies show that it has powerful health benefits. Here are 15 health benefits of avocado that are supported by scientific research. 1. Avocado is incredibly nutritious. According to the USDA National Nutrient Database, one serving, 1/5 of an avocado, approximately 40 grams, contains 64 calories, almost 6 grams of fat, 3.4 grams of carbohydrate, less than a gram of sugar, almost 3 grams of fiber. Avocados are a great source of vitamin C, E, K, and B6, as well as riboflavin, niacin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, and potassium. They also provide lutein, beta-carotene, and omega-3 fatty acids. Although most of the calories in an avocado come from fat, don't shy away. Avocados are full of healthy, beneficial fats that help to keep you full and satiated. When you consume fat, your brain receives a signal to turn off your appetite. Eating fat slows the breakdown of carbohydrates, which helps to keep sugar levels in the blood stable. Fat is essential for every single cell in the body. Eating healthy fats supports skin health, enhances the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients, and may even help boost the immune system. 2. They contain more potassium than bananas. Potassium is an important mineral that most people don't get enough of. Avocados are very high in potassium, which should support healthy blood pressure levels. 3. Avocado is loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fatty acids. Avocados and avocado oil are high in monounsaturated oleic acid, a heart-healthy fatty acid that is believed to be one of the main reasons for the health benefits of olive oil. 4. Avocados are loaded with fiber. Avocados tend to be rich in fiber, about 7% by weight, which is very high compared to most other foods. Fiber may have important benefits for weight loss and metabolic health. 5. Eating avocados can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Numerous studies have shown that eating avocado can improve heart disease risk factors like total, bad LDL and good HDL cholesterol, as well as blood triglycerides. 6. People who eat avocados tend to be healthier. One dietary survey found that people who ate avocados had a much higher nutrient intake and a lower risk of metabolic syndrome. 7. Their fat content may help you absorb nutrients from plant foods. Studies have shown that eating avocado or avocado oil with vegetables can dramatically increase the number of antioxidants you take in. 8. Avocados are loaded with powerful antioxidants that can protect your eyes. Avocados are high in antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients are very important for eye health and lower your risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. 9. Avocado may help prevent cancer. Adequate intake of folate from food has shown promise in protecting against colon, stomach, pancreatic, and cervical cancers. Although the mechanism behind this apparent reduction in risk is currently unknown, researchers believe that folate protects against undesirable mutations in DNA and RNA during cell division. Avocados may even have a role to play in cancer treatment, with some research finding that phytochemicals extracted from avocado can selectively inhibit the growth of precancerous and cancerous cells and cause the death of cancer cells, while encouraging the proliferation of immune system cells called lymphocytes. These phytochemicals have also been shown to decrease chromosomal damage caused by cyclophosphamide, a chemotherapy drug. 10. Avocado extract may help relieve symptoms of arthritis. Arthritis is a common problem in Western countries. There are many types of this condition, which are often chronic problems that people have for the rest of their lives. Multiple studies suggest that avocado and soybean oil extracts, called avocado and soybean unsaponifiables, can reduce osteoarthritis. Whether avocados themselves have this effect remains to be seen. 11. Eating avocado may help you lose weight. Avocados may aid weight loss by keeping you full longer and making you eat fewer calories. They are also high in fiber and low in carbs, which may promote weight loss. 12. Avocado is delicious and easy to incorporate in your diet. Avocados have a creamy, rich, fatty texture and blend well as with other ingredients. Therefore, it's easy to add this fruit to your diet. Using lemon juice may prevent cut avocados from browning quickly. 13. Lower risk of depression. Foods containing high levels of folate may help to decrease the risk of depression because folate helps to prevent the buildup of homocysteine, a substance that can impair circulation and delivery of nutrients to the brain. Excess homocysteine can also interfere with the production of serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, which regulate mood, sleep, and appetite. 14. Improved digestion. Despite its creamy texture, an avocado is actually high in fiber with approximately 6 to 7 grams per half fruit. Eating foods with natural fiber can help prevent constipation, maintain a healthy digestive tract, and lower the risk of colon cancer. 15. Natural detoxification. Adequate fiber promotes regular bowel movements, which are crucial for the daily excretion of toxins through the bile and stool. Recent studies have shown that dietary fiber may also play a role in regulating the immune system and inflammation.